In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Webflow Template 2026, full tutorial. Start by opening Webflow and heading to your dashboard. Make sure you're in the workspace where you want the project to live, and if you're new, a free plan is fine for getting started. From the dashboard, click New Site. This creates a fresh project and takes you to the setup flow. You can always rename your project later, so don't stress about the perfect title right now. Next, choose the template option. You could start from a blank canvas, but templates save a lot of time by giving you a professional structure, styles, and pre-built pages. In the template gallery, you'll see categories, filters, and a search bar. Use these to narrow down your choices by industry, layout style, or whether the template supports CMS content. Many templates are free, some are paid. You can preview any template before selecting it. Browse for the template that matches your needs. Think about your goals, number of pages, blog or portfolio support, interactions, and the general aesthetic. Open the live preview, click through pages like Home, About, and Contact, and test sections such as hero banners, feature grids, and forms. Check responsiveness by resizing the preview to desktop, tablet, and mobile. Read the template description for details like included components, CMS collections, and any noted limitations. Once you find the right fit, choose it, confirm, and create your site from that template. With your site created, it's time to customize. Open the designer to see the canvas and panels. Begin with global styles so your changes cascade consistently. Update color swatches, typography, and spacing scales in the style panel. Double-click any text to edit copy, and use the Assets panel to replace images with your own optimized files. Swap logos as SVG or high-resolution PNGs for a crisp result. Look for components such as the navbar and footer. Edit the component once, and those changes apply across all pages, keeping everything consistent. Use the navigator to understand the structure of sections, containers, and grids, and rename elements as needed for clarity. If the template uses the CMS, open collections to update sample items and adjust collection lists on pages to display your content. Fine-tune interactions in the Interactions panel and keep animations subtle and purposeful. As you work, preview your site and check each breakpoint, desktop, tablet, and both mobile sizes to ensure spacing and typography look great everywhere. When you're happy, publish to your staging domain to review the live version and share for feedback. Congratulations, you've successfully edited a Webflow template and tailored it to your brand.